There's Tommy Nutters and Christmas dinner there. Just going to go and have a look at a villa for August. Fuerte. Stayed there before. Nice place. Caleta Dorada there. Tommy Nutters. Still doing the road up here. All this has been redone since the last time we stayed up the top of this hill. Looking better. It's a right mess last time. But 2 years. They don't rush over here for roadworks. This has still been going. Well, last July, 2 years ago, July. So yeah. But it's looking better, like I said in previous videos. The place is getting done up. And slowly but surely they are getting there. That's where everyone lives over there. Costa Antigua. Costa Golf DOS. Costa Golf 2. And that is why the roadworks don't get done as quickly as you want them to be done. Understandably, it's hot over here, you know. 3 of them there. Just get on with it. Crack on. I'll tell you what, if they were working for me, well, like I said, it is hot over here, so there's the beach. If you're going to stay up this hill, it's a big long walk straight the way down. But yeah, nearly there. Going to be staying there, but we are just going to have a look. There's a nice villa which I'll try and put in pictures in this video that we've seen on the Airbnb. So let's have a look. I'll tell you something, if you want to stay up here in the future though, all these paths are being really well done up here in a couple of years' time. It's going to be a beautiful place to stay. Honestly, they're getting there. Yeah, we've stayed up this way before, but we didn't like the trek up and down, so I'm going to get a car in August, I think. It's not too far up. We're right by the Zanzibar. Gym. The gym, we have a pool table, but does it work? That's the question. Massive pool. Huge, man. Yeah, well, the pool is not very clean at all, is it, Len? So it's going to be a no for us up here, 100%, looking at that. It needs some proper cleaning, in my opinion. But it's this apartment here. So it's all that and all this. And I'll try and link it below. It does look nice inside, all been done out and stuff. So here's Castillo Beach Bungalows. If you go onto my YouTube channel, HGV Ant, well, it's probably on here anyway. We stayed here before. First ever video I put on my channel, actually. Really clean, tidy place. No aircon in the rooms. Might be now. It was 2 years ago that I stayed here. But the pools are cracking. Clean place. Always cleaning. We have actually stayed. I think it was this one. See if it's been done up since. A lot of these have been done up. No. Yeah, no one's in there. We have stayed in there before. Now that's a clean pool. Very clean place, this. In need of an upgrade, some of the rooms. But we had a great time here. Bollywood Spice is there, and the shopping centre Monte Castillo. You get pool and all your nice bars and that in there. It's nice up this hill for that. Yeah, I think that's new. With kids play place. That's all new. Yeah, it's decided against that place just because of the pool. Chaplin's, Min 7. Molly's Irish Bar, that's brand new, that is. That's brand new. So that's not too bad up here, but it's right in the sun, innit, you know. Would you rather your kids be in the swimming pool and playing on the swings in this heat, but each to their own. I don't even know if it's open, I don't know what it's part of. I think it might be part of the Caleta Dorada hotel up here. That's been recently done up. I think that's down there, actually. But yeah. If you want to stay around here, be prepared to get fit going up and down that hill, or just pay for taxis or Let's get down into town. So we're going to be looking at a villa down there on the golf course for the next one. There we are. Still doing bits to this. It just looks like I don't know what it's part of. I'll try and find out. Yeah, we have stayed up here before. It's nice. A little less secure in my opinion, but you know, just be responsible. Here is the Caleta Dorada. I'm sure someone said in the TikTok comments that they're coming here on Friday or this week or some sort. I'll try and post this for you. And another couple of clips. I'll put it in the reply to the comments. Personally not stayed there. So I can't really comment on it, but I remember it being done up a couple of years ago when I was over here, up that big hill. So I'm sure someone mentioned it, that they're coming here from the comments, so that's the best I can get. But yeah, your town and all your stuff is just down there. Piero's just down. You're not too far up the hill with Caleta Dorada. So, but you know, you got your Monte Castillo up there, which is your Chaplin's and your Zanzibar and plenty of other places to go and eat and drink. But yeah, I've never stayed here or heard much about it, so try and get a little, I don't know. Yeah, nice little trek up the hill. And the Fjortosol's coming here now, so there's all your town centre. Caleta Dorada there. All your stuff's just underneath the road tunnel. And there's your beach down there. Piero's, Max, all your 80s bars, Walters, Millennium, Bailey's Gym, San Jorge, Barcelo. We're down that way at the moment, in the Albasara. So just come up to have a look at somewhere, and we've decided, nah, we're not going back up this hill next time. Can't be doing with it. Probably might have done if it wasn't for the pool. But yeah, it's getting done up here. That's the main thing. I've seen changes in the last 2 years. The paths and the roads all getting done up. We've stayed there before. I think, no, here. I think that's part of the Fjortosol. But we have stayed at the Fjortosol. Oh God, 2018 I think that was. You know what? It's one of the best holidays I've had over here. And I'm not even joking. Cheap and cheerful. I think we paid like 350 quid for like 10 nights. And then we just ate out. We've got a bit of a bonus. My mum lives over here. You can see a bit of the all down there. So we did go there for some barbecues and some food and roast dinners and stuff like that. So a bit of a bonus for us. But yeah, still some places that need a little bit of work up here in my opinion to make it look a little bit better, but they are doing it all the time. And I'll tell you something about anywhere up here, any apartment, you see that woman cleaning in there, they always keep things nice and clean and tidy. The cleaners are great, the workers are great, the staff are great in Caleta de Fuste, in my opinion. Just roads and paths, which are all getting done. Another one coming in. Bike riding time. We're renting bikes from today. 4 of us. Nice little ride along Caleta again. Fado Rock. Oh, I've spoke about that place before. Oh, absolute shame. But there's people that live there and there's people that's bought places on there, so they can't knock it down, can they? Feel sorry for them people, you know. Just an eyesore in it. Shame. Walters just there. Got to go to Walters when you get off the plane. But yeah, we've just had a message back off the a resort on the golf club, and we're allowed to go and have a look at this villa on Saturday at 10:30. Sorry. So we're gonna go and have a look at that. Probably book it.